2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.